told you severally that murmuring is a risk. Talking about the children of Israel. When you read Isaiah 63, 9 and 10, you will discover Bible says when they were afflicted, God was afflicted. When they were challenged, God was challenged. So he sent his angels to go and save them. And these same people became so much ungrateful to all that God did. Bible said they vexed the Holy One. 1 Corinthians 10:10. It is God himself that rose up against his own people. No devil could tell them. The pillar of cloud was with them. The pillar of fire was with them. No enemy could venture. It is God himself that became an enemy to them. Now, how important said they will bring. So Paul told the Corinthians, hey, don't be like them. Don't murmur. As some of them murmured, and they got God as their enemy. People are not thankful not because God has not done anything. They are only not thankful because what they expect God to do has not been done. Only those that can think can thank. Many people, they live so many pitiable lives, complaining every day. I don't have a job. You are not the first person not to have a job. You don't have a child. Relax. You have not married. Relax. God is his word. His word is he. You have heard me say that anytime you complain, you complicate your matters. Every complainer will be ruined. Hear this prophet and hear him well. That you are not where you want to be, but the truth is that you are not where you used to be. Things are not working because you are working. Things are only working because God is working. The first challenge that the first man had in the garden was the challenge man is still having to today. God gave them everything, and God didn't give them only one thing. Yet they could see what God didn't give. They forget all that God gave. He knows everything that he lacks in life. You have never seen anything that God has ever provided. And somebody says, I'm believing God. Many people, they are doubting God. Many. Their approach, their prayer, the way they are anxious is full of doubt. If you trust somebody, that's not the way you react. If he made you a woman, trust him, he will make you a wife. If you have made you a wife, he will make you a mother. And if you have made you a mother, God himself will make you a grandmother. Things are working for you because God is working in you. Any finger of God in your life must be highly appreciated. That no matter what you find yourself, your condition does not permit you to murmur.